Triple S Slip, Slide, and Shine, a collaboration between PNS and the Wrap Institute. We start off with Slip, and that is all about getting the perfect prep for vehicles, whether it's commercial, color change, or PPF. High quality microfiber towels for cleaning and buffing, ultra clay towel or scrubber. Spray first with absolute rinseless wash as a general clean using the blue edgeless 365. Spray again with absolute rinseless wash and use the ultra clay for a smooth finish. Wipe off all the residue. Now degrease the surface using the yellow edgeless 365 towel. And with that, it's time to slip. Spray Triple S generously on the prep surface and evenly spread it around with the purple pearl towel. This step is about coating, not removing, so don't press too hard. And put extra focus by applying Triple S to the high peaks. The final prep step is to degrease just the edges and any deep recessed areas with a focused application of 70% isopropyl alcohol. And with that, now it's time to wrap and roll. Triple S helps lower the surface energy, which has multiple benefits. It makes it easier for aggressive wrapping films to slip across the surface. More importantly, it keeps the film from getting what is called sanding, as well as adhesive lines, by slipping across the body lines. With the material ready to squeegee, we are now ready to slide. Triple S can now be sprayed on the buffer of the squeegee, which allows installers to use less energy and wrap faster. Additionally, the unique blend of Triple S helps reduce scratches to almost zero, even on sensitive wrapping films like this black matte color change film. And with everything squeegeed scratch-free to the hood, standard finishing can be done. The final step is all about shine, and this is a win on many levels. Spray the finish section generously with Triple S and use 2 purple pearls, one to evenly spread Triple S, then the other to buff it for an optimal finish. The final result, whether it's matte, satin, or textured, is perfection. Triple S will last months on the final wrap, which means it'll help ensure quality that will last, a hydrophobic surface that is easy to clean and maintain, and note that Triple S, though it helps the material slip during the install, still results in a strong final bond so the material is durable. Triple S, Slip, Slide, and Shine by PNS and the Wrap Institute. Your all-in-one wrap solution for commercial color change and PPF.